Hey folks, Evan here at Eldorado RV, and this is the 2024 Jayco J-Feather 27 BHB. All right, starting outside, we've got new blue decals for 2024. This thing looks really, really good. Got a nice long awning, and they put a support under the middle of the awning this year so that you don't get any sag, which was a problem before. As per usual, we got vacuum bonded laminated sidewalls, a TPO front cap. It's essentially fiberglass, just less brittle. A nice diamond plate on the front here, integrated A-frame as always, 30 pounds of propane, and a power front jack. We got some nice lights up front. You can't see them because it's so bright, but those ones are blue and they look really good. Here's the view from the offside. This guy is pretty long, and it's not a bunk house model. Not a bunk room, just straight up bunks. But it's really handy for a couple reasons. There's your pass-through. We got that white wire. That's your inverter pre-wire, battery disconnect, detachable power cord, and the griddle that goes on the J port, which I'll show you on the other side. Some lights in there, magnetic catch for your door. We're prepped for side and backup cameras. Got your potable water fill right there. Nice view of the side. We got 20% tinted windows for privacy, and it helps to keep the sun out. On-demand hot water. Your cable hookup. We got your black tank flush over here, as well as sewer valve, rack and pinion slide, Goodyear tires, really nice running gear, and then of course you got the enclosed and heated underbelly on the J-Feather. We've also got the extreme weather package on this, so that's 120 volt tank pads and heat tape around the main water line. You can see the backup camera prep up top. We've got a roof ladder because you've got a Magnum truss, fully walkable roof. That's 4,500 pound weight capacity. 200 watts of solar up there. You can kind of see the edge of the panel sticking out of the roof there at the back. We got your Lippert stabilizer. So you've got your J-port hookup on the bumper here, right there, and a propane quick connect right there. Brand new redesigned outdoor kitchen for 2024. It's got a spray port right there, some steel on the bottom, and still a 120 volt fridge, but that's one of the plugs that's pre-wired for the inverter. Also got some USB and some shore power there. We've got marine grade exterior speakers, some power, and a TV mount right here. All right, we are inside. Here's kind of a quick overview. You got this really nice spot as soon as you walk in the door with some hooks and some storage. And a nice little spot to sit while you put on your shoes or whatever. Here's a good look at your new bedroom. Now for 2024, we've got a full-length queen, which is awesome. Really, really nice to see. That's been a problem with the J-Feather lineup for a long time, so I'm glad that it is now full-length queen. On each side, we got a wardrobe with both a shelf that's removable and a rod for hanging if you need to do that. We got a nice big shelf up top with some cabinetry. Again, new for 2024. A new white in here, so it really brightens it up quite a bit. With that white like wallboard as well. We got smaller valences, so your windows let in more light. We got your solar controller off to the left there, TV mount spot, an exit window, and some TV power and cable output there. There is also a fan in here, louvered and directional air conditioner vents. We got power and USB beside the bed on both sides. Full plywood base under the bed. We've got storage underneath the bed as well. You got this little drawer on both sides. Now, as soon as you walk in here, you got your Furrion on-demand water control. Got your J command system, so you can run all your lights, your awning, slide, all of that from here. And that's it there. Across the way, we've got a nice face-to-face dinette with some storage underneath. MCD roller shades all the way throughout, 2024 J feathers. Keep that sunlight out. This guy right here is a trifold, but you've got options. So that turns into, I guess, like a full queen. Your dinette also turns into a bed. Good amount of storage right here. And you can see we've got a rod built in already, so you can pop those shelves out and use it for hanging if that's what you want to do. And then one more shelf down here. One of the big things that you get going from, say, a J Flight to a J Feather is, well, you get these, which are really nice switches for the lights in your slides. So there's one switch here for these ones, one over there for those ones. It's a really, really nice kitchen. Like, let's start off by saying that. Man, that thing looks nice. With the new white, which I really love, the new shaker style, like clean cabinets. They look really good. Really, really nice looking cabinets. The new backsplash looks awesome. You know, I almost forgot about the power tower in your kitchen. You got USB, a wireless charger on top, USB-C, and standard power outlets there. And we got these new squared off, sort of luxurious preformed countertops. Very nice. Plenty of storage in here as well. Of course, 5-piece drawers, like always. And a big double sink, separate sink. So it's actually useful for washing and drying dishes. 3-burner Furrion. We got a knife block back here for all the pointy things, and your stove has an oven as well with a light. Ooh, fancy. Nice big deep pot drawer down here. And then we've got that new 12-volt fridge by Everchill. It's super efficient, and not only can you open it from this side, you can open it from this side. Whoa! Pretty cool. There's a little drawer underneath there as well. Now your entertainment center. Got a big TV that pops out. There's some storage behind it. Some cabinets up top with these glass centers. Screwed and glued cabinets, of course, all the way throughout. Some drawers up here. I really like this new entertainment center. It's a lot more functional than the old one. Standard AM, FM, Bluetooth radio system. And in this one we've got the fireplace that kicks out some heat, and you got some color choices. It looks really nice. Now, onto your bunks. Double over double, 600-pound weight capacity. We got some power and USB out here, but then each bunk has power and USB, as well as a little storage net. You can see it way at the back there. 4-inch teddy bear mattresses on plywood bases, individually addressable lights, and some curtains for a little bit of privacy. They've got to be stretched out because they've been sitting for a bit, but you get the idea. Now the big thing here is this bottom bunk flips up, sort of like so, latches in place, and you got a storage area with a cargo net. But you can use that just like this. That cargo net will pop off, and you can use it like that. Nice built-in wooden ladder. Now your bathroom. Oh, before we get to your bathroom, let's talk about this. I forgot. There's a built-in Fantastic fan in the kitchen. Sorry, not a Fantastic fan, Max Air fan. There's a difference, you know? Now your bathroom, we got your shower. Tall shower with a deep pan. And a skylight. And a reinforced bottom in the shower as well. So you can get in there and jump around. Nice built-in shelving with some hooks. Porcelain. Sorry, standard toilet. Medicine cabinet over here. Spot for your towel. We got power, a sink, and a lower cabinet there. And that's pretty much it. Of course, you got a door directly into the bathroom, so the kids coming in from outside or whatever, they can go right in here. They don't have to traipse through the whole trailer and get everything all dirty. Really, really love this floor plan. It's one of our most popular family floor plans because it's not super long, not super heavy. You still get big bunks, and you get a secondary entrance for your bathroom without having to buy a bunk room. So that's it. Your floor is foam block insulated and vacuum bonded laminated. So it's not a tongue and groove plywood. It's a little bit more insulated, and it's really nice. New vinyl flooring and vinyl in the slide, of course, no carpet. It's pretty seamless. So that looks really nice. And that about does it. This is the 2024 Jayco J Feather 27 BHB. Thanks for watching.